Hey everyone! Welcome back to Jesmin Paper Crafts. Today, I've got something super fun and colorful for you green, yellow, and pink paper wall hanging ideas. These bright, vibrant colors will bring energy and joy to any room. And I can't wait to show you how simple and creative these DIY projects can be. Whether you're decorating your living room, bedroom, or even a party, these designs are sure to impress. So let's get started. Layered paper flower garland. Our first idea is a beautiful layered paper flower garland, perfect for adding a soft, floral touch to your walls. Start by cutting out several layers of petals in all three colors: green, yellow, and pink. You can vary the sizes for a dynamic look. Next, layer them together with a small glue dot in the center of each flower. For the final touch, string them together with twine or thread. You can alternate the colors or mix them up for a vibrant effect. This garland is perfect for hanging above a bed or across a window for a fresh, summery vibe. Geometric paper fans for a more modern and minimalist look. Geometric paper fans in these colors are a fantastic idea. Cut out circles in your green, yellow, and pink paper. Then fold each into a fan or accordion shape. Once folded, bring the edges together to form a half circle and glue two halves to make a full fan. You can layer different-sized fans for a dimensional effect. Hang these fans together on a wall in a cluster or spread them out for a stylish, eye-catching display. 3D paper hearts wall hanging next up. We have 3D paper hearts, which are super cute and easy to make. Cut out heart shapes in your green, yellow, and pink papers, and fold each heart down the middle to create a crease. Glue one half of the heart to the wall and let the other half stick out slightly for a 3D effect. You can arrange these hearts in rows, scatter them across the wall, or even form a large heart shape using the smaller ones. This design is perfect for creating a sweet, romantic feel in any space. Paper tassel wall hanging finally. Let's create a trendy paper tassel wall hanging. Using the green, yellow, and pink paper, cut long strips and fringe the edges. Roll each fringe strip tightly to form a tassel and secure it with glue or thread. You can make as many as you want, depending on how full or long you'd like the hanging to be. Attach the tassels to a dowel or wooden stick in alternating colors and hang the whole thing on the wall. This tassel design adds a playful, boho chic vibe to any room. Those are just a few easy but beautiful ways to make green, yellow, and pink paper wall hangings for your home or special events. I hope you're feeling inspired to get crafting. If you enjoyed these ideas, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more paper craft tutorials. And don't forget to share your creations with me. I'd love to see how you bring these ideas to life. Thanks for watching, and see you next time on Jesmin Paper Crafts.